If you're here, probably you know already Phantasialand. This is an independent theme park in Germany, which has got amazing theming and still got some of the most amazing coaster, like Fly or Taron, for which everyone in the world has been talking about. But today something happened. Phantasialand published on their official Instagram a post saying that this new website, official website, Immersion by Phantasialand, is now live. If you like this channel, please subscribe, and today we're gonna check together this new website from Phantasialand. Basically, they decided to do an enthusiast website, sharing all the content they got about their theming, about their park, all the visuals of the attraction, details, behind the scenes, podcasts, videos, pictures. The website is really nice, it's fully loaded of content. There are some amazing high resolution pictures. There are amazing visuals. This is, I think it's content they had already and they've been sharing on their social but when launching new attraction, but they decided to put everything in one place. And I would say that the target of this website is not the general public, but it's just the fan base, the enthusiasts of their park, which are now worldwide. I was amazed by the quantity of content you can find there. Unfortunately, the website is in German only, but I think you can kind of Google translate it, and thankfully all the videos have got captions. For the podcast, unfortunately, there is not much you can do. If you love Phantasialand, if you've been searching and watching videos around Phantasialand, I do recommend this website, especially if you are a theme park enthusiast. It's one of a kind website where you can find so many information, amazing visuals and videos. I do strongly recommend for you to have a look around and just let yourself immerse in the Phantasialand world. Really, this is a kind of gift I think that Phantasialand decided to do, and I'm so thankful for them for going live with such an amazing project. Hopefully in the future they will also translate it. I will put the link in the description. I hope you like this video, and more content is coming. Bye!